Display the orders in a Gantt chart view, click on the appropriate menu item, click on Orders, and then click on the Gantt tab. Orders are now displayed starting with the earliest first. Users can choose what information is displayed to the right of the Gantt bar simply by checking the desired checkboxes here. Clicking on priority, we now have priority added to the end. They can also resequence the order that the information is displayed simply by dragging a field on this section, and now the order number is first. There's also shading in the Gantt chart. We've got shading in this case on the weekend, and we also have shading on the today line. So the 16th of July is today, and you can see that is indicated as such. The mode for the calendar can also be switched to quarterly day, and in this case the time segments are now 6 hours. Half day is 12-hour segments, and then we have the weekly view displayed here. The user can scroll down to see all the relevant information and also scroll horizontally within this view. If users want to display more information on a particular record, click on the text to the right of the Gantt. The information is displayed in a pop-up, including the order long text. The sidebar filter is applied to both the list and the Gantt tab. So if I only want to see the pipe fitter records and only priority 1s and 2s, the information is filtered both in the Gantt chart and in the list. So this makes it much easier to see the data either in a list view or in a Gantt view. Users can also use the search screen and type in any information they want to filter based on the text entered, and again the list will just show that, in this case, single record. Users can also click on the refresh to refresh the Gantt chart and the data displayed there.